Balak keli dah kipulet kipatokit yakani kajingja baki kadau jong kajingyap jong uraja. Isar Vivek ilai thu ba kadau te kumbala pa manta kade namar kajing it ni ka love triangle. Ilai thu ru ba kajing tokit kana sustang te manta ba hapanwat bunya yakiwe kwe banta jong kani kadau la kajing penyap kade na kadau kapisa ni dan manu selnet kibanyo nong na kani kajing penyap ya uraja. Bat hab mentokit bat wat punya halol kani ka banta ilai thuru ba menta kadon ka tim ne ka kanhun ki pulit shillong ha indoor mentokit bat wat punya ya kani ka cakari dengan kasonam ka balalong thali bat kani ka kanhun ru kan sedan bai ha indoor ban kili ya kinu ki badan jing dai bat kani ka jingja sha panyap uraja habala kili ba hatu uraja ula ithu teng ne am yakini kino panyap Isar Vivek iong ba uraja umpat ju syam ni kendu teng nrei la plan hi daka sonam ban pen kendu ban pen itho yakini kinong penyap bat penirong perlok bat uraja kini kilangot kinong penyap kila aidau pamakiru kinlet shadauki kumba uraja ulat temu bat kini kala pen soljan shushu ya uraja bat kila temu ban yelet lang shadauki Isar Vivek ru ilai thu ba kini kilangot bat ka sonam kila tip ha ya kata ka plan jongki kadau raja shemla tip halor kata habala keli ba hatu kasanam ringkat kini kilangut kila itu teng ne em yakani kajaka Isar Vivek iong makini kilangut ringkat kasanam kimpaju snow yakani kajaka ni kimpaju itu teng yakani kajaka makani kaditang kajing tingkho ni ke accident makani kajing jia kanjia hameklaya rei wala kata nakaliang kipulet silong kiong makin sawat benia bat mentokit benia la kini ki badan menta ban penyap ki shuthok ne kerengkai ne em bat lada ki wanteng kamu pomut ba kila itu bha yakani kajaka
क्या फाइनेंशियल एंगल भी है इसमें पहला सवाल क्योंकि राजा का कोई बड़ा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलने वाला था जिस पर डील हो रही थी मध्य प्रदेश इंदौर में और वहाँ पर राज को कौन और ऐसा जो सपोर्ट कर रहा था दो लड़के कौन क्योंकि बनारस की लड़की दो लड़कों का जिक्र किया है
See, like I said, immediately which comes to the fore is this love triangle. Investigation has just started. We will explore more into this. If there are other angles, if there's a financial angle, if somebody was to gain from Raja's death, like you said, if Raja was going to bag a contract, we will verify all these. In fact, right now as we are speaking, my team is there in Indore. They have gone to the flat of the flat where Sonam was kept. They've conducted search out there. The flat is empty, but they will be camping in Indore for actually questioning a lot of things.
इंदौर लेकर जाएंगे सर
No.
Can you tell us at any time Raja was surprised to see the presence of these three, or are the three known to him?
No, Raja is not known. These three were not known to Raja. In fact, once they made friends, and since the plan was known to Sonam and these three people, so when they said that they'll go to Dauki, Raja automatically made friends with them because they had said that they're going to MP, also to Dauki. And so they made plans together that from here they'd go to Dauki.
So they established contact from
Yes. Yes.
Sir, Sonam ki family ko bhi is there any chance that the Vandana Kalita case was known to them because the body was dumped here earlier also? Because that story also went viral all over the country. So did they know about that story?
Not to our knowledge, and they've never visited this place. They have not heard about this place before also. According to them, it's by chance. But we will explore that, like I said, whether they've come here before. And if they've come here before, then they'd be familiar with the place.
Sir, Sonam ki family ko bhi investigation join karne ke liye aap logon ne bola hai kisi ko?
See, our team is there. They will do some questioning out there. They will find out what is the background and lot of any other angle. They'll be doing the questioning out there.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah? Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.